Hi everyone, today we are reading Peppa Goes Swimming. It's a beautiful warm summer day. Peppa and her family are at the swimming pool. Peppa, George, let Daddy put on your swimming armbands, says Mummy Pig. Today is George's first time at the pool and he is a bit scared of getting in the water. Why don't you just put one foot in? Suggests Daddy Pig. Maybe George should try both feet at the same time, says Mummy Pig. Splash! Mummy Pig convinces George to jump into water and he loves it. Grunt! Hee 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 hee! Shouts George happily. Ho ho ho! Well done, George! Snorts Daddy Pig. Rebecca Rabbit, her brother, Richard, and their mother arrive at the pool too. Hello, everyone! Cries Rebecca. Squeak, squeak, says Richard. Richard, hold on to this float so you can practice kicking your legs, says Miss Rabbit. George, would you like to try kicking your legs too? Asks Mummy Pig. Hee hee hee, giggles George. Ho ho ho, very good, laughs Daddy Pig. But please try not to splash. Big children don't splash, adds Peppa. Big children are very good at swimming, declares Peppa. When George and Richard are older, they will be able to swim like us. Won't they, Rebecca? Yes, says Rebecca as she watches the boys kick and splash. Peppa and Rebecca race each other up and down the pool with their swimming armbands on. They are having lots of fun swimming and splashing in the water. Oops! Richard has dropped his toy watering can into the pool. Mommy! Wait! Cries Richard. Sorry, Richard, I can't reach it. It's too far down, says Miss Rabbit. Luckily, Daddy Pig is an excellent swimmer. He takes off his glasses and dives down to get it. Ho ho ho! There you go, snorts Daddy Pig. Squeak, squeak, says Richard. Well done, Daddy, says Mummy Pig. Yes, thank you, Daddy Pig, says Miss Rabbit. Oh dear, Richard is so happy to have his watering can back that he splashes Daddy Pig with water. Hee hee hee! George laughs. What a silly little piggy and rabbit! Everyone has had a fun day swimming at the pool. Thank you for watching.